Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host today, and we're going to dive into a fascinating story about how the automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation. As you might have heard, the demand for electric vehicles is skyrocketing globally, with sales reaching a record 17.1 million units in 2024. That's a 25.6% increase from last year alone. And according to RMI, by 2030, electric vehicles are expected to dominate global car sales, potentially accounting for 62% to 86% of all sales. But what's driving this shift towards electric vehicles? Well, it's not just about the environmental benefits or the reduced emissions. It's also about a fundamental change in the way we manufacture and distribute these vehicles. Batteries, for instance, are becoming an increasingly critical component of EVs, with production playing a central role in the manufacturing supply chain. That's why companies like DP World are taking a closer look at how they can adapt to this new reality. In their recent report, Navigating the Opportunities and Challenges of an Electric Vehicle-Centric Manufacturing Supply Chain, they highlight 4 key areas that will be impacted by this transformation. Firstly, batteries. The shift to EVs is driving focus on proximity between battery production and EV assembly lines. This means changes in factory infrastructure and logistics, as well as specialized storage and transport solutions to address safety concerns and accommodate the substantial weight and size of batteries. Secondly, transforming factory floor logistics. Adapting to EV production requires substantial alterations in traditional car manufacturing facilities, including new equipment for heavy battery handling. This includes a transformation in logistics from traditional manufacturing processes to methods that accommodate the distinct nature of EVs, such as changes in storage, transport, and delivery to ensure safety and efficiency. Thirdly, changing demands for parts and service. With low-maintenance EVs reducing the number and complexity of parts and maintenance services compared to internal combustion engine vehicles, supply chain and logistics practices are shifting towards more streamlined and efficient processes. Lastly, integration of circular economy principles is also becoming increasingly important. The report emphasizes the potential for repurposing reusable minerals for new batteries, reducing dependence on imported minerals, enhancing supply chain reliability, and aligning with environmental sustainability goals. These changes won't happen overnight, but companies like DP World are already taking steps to prepare for the transition. By understanding the implications of this shift today, they can plan for their supply chains of tomorrow. At ElectroDrive News, we're committed to staying on top of the latest developments in the electric vehicle industry. From battery technology to charging infrastructure, we'll keep you informed and up to date on the biggest stories shaping the future of transportation. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis on the world of electric vehicles.